Now that we have our basic petal shape, let's explore different ways to fill it with patterns. Patterns are the heart of mandala art. They bring life, depth, and uniqueness to your designs. Even the simplest shapes can transform beautifully with a little creativity. In this video, we'll practice a few easy filling patterns that you can use inside the petal shape. These include parallel lines, dots, swirls, and a few more variations. Let's take it slow and enjoy the process. Let's try some variations with these shapes. If you find more variations, let me know in the comments. Now let's see what we can accommodate these patterns in our mandala layout. If you'd like to have this practice sheet and practice along with me, feel free to comment yes below and email me at kalpaartauh@gmail.com. I'll send it to you for free. Filling certain areas with black adds depth and contrast, making the patterns stand out beautifully. Let's try some variations with these shapes. If you find more variations, let me know in the comments. Tracing practice is an excellent way to build confidence and improve precision in mandala art. It helps in understanding intricate patterns, refining hand control, and developing muscle memory for smoother strokes. By practicing tracing, artists can gradually enhance their freehand drawing skills, making their designs more fluid and symmetrical. Now let's see what we can accommodate these patterns in our mandala layout. Remember, mandala art is as much about mindfulness as it is about technique. The more you enjoy the process, the more beautiful your designs will become. If you find some patterns difficult, try sketching them with a pencil first. This will help you get the shape and flow right before going over them with a pen. Filling certain areas with black adds depth and contrast, making the patterns stand out beautifully. Now let's try parallel lines. This is one of the easiest and most commonly used patterns in mandalas. You can draw straight, curved, or diagonal lines inside the petal, depending on the look you want to achieve. Parallel lines create rhythm in your design and can make sections of your mandala stand out. Try experimenting with different line spacing to see how it changes the feel of the pattern. Now let's see what we can accommodate these patterns in our mandala layout. The beauty of mandala drawing is not just in the final design, but in the process itself. As you fill each petal with patterns, notice how your focus shifts to the movement of your pen, the rhythm of your strokes, and the way the patterns evolve. This is why mandalas are a great way to relax and relieve stress. Every small detail you add brings a sense of calm and mindfulness. What you see now is a fast-forwarded version of the tracing, just like in reels and shorts. It looks quick and effortless, right? But let's not be fooled. This is just for the reel. Remember, mandala art is as much about mindfulness as it is about technique. The more you enjoy the process, the more beautiful your designs will become. Now let's see what we can accommodate these patterns in our mandala layout. Now let's try parallel lines. This is one of the easiest and most commonly used patterns in mandalas. You can draw straight, curved, or diagonal lines inside the petal, depending on the look you want to achieve. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate our final creation. All the effort, patience, and creativity have come together beautifully in this piece. In future videos, we'll continue exploring more patterns, new shapes, and creative ways to develop your mandala style. So keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. If you enjoyed this session, like, share, comment, and support me for more videos. See you in the next video.